Did you guys know that collagen is a scam and it doesn't tighten your skin if you're on a weight loss journey or if you've already lost the weight and you want to tighten your skin? Collagen is just a scam.
Oh, you mean like collagen powders? Yeah. I like it.
I like collagen powder too, but it's just kind of a waste of calories.
Well, the thing is, the truth is, you really need to eat things and do things that are going to boost your own collagen production. That would be the smart, intelligent, strategic way to ensure that you have tight skin as you age gracefully and lose weight. And Penelope, my daughter, and I have lost 260 pounds. I've lost 100, she's lost 160. And I love food. I really, really do. And you should too. And if you don't, I'm sorry for you. You think the food's the enemy when you really are overweight. And I know a lot of people who watch us are overweight. And I'm here to tell you, food is your friend. We just have to relearn how to relate to it, how to use it, and how to cook it. And so today in this video, we want to share with you the foods that we ate to ensure that we have tight skin all the way to our goal.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing you guys can do right now is go make your own bone broth. It's really easy. Make sure you're getting 100% grass-fed and grass-finished bones.
If you can find those, I have to say they're not that easy to find, Penelope.
It's true. Azure Standard is a great place to get some bones.
Yes, that's Azure.
Use our link in bio for a discount.
For sure. There are places, but definitely start to know your farmers and making your own bone broth. It's very expensive to buy it, so we recommend making it. Because the thing is, I don't use bone broth at all.
But I do, and other people do, and they like bone broth.
What's interesting about bone broth is that it's been an ancient healing tradition for thousands of years in every culture that I've studied. And I've been studying natural healing and nutritional therapies for the last 34 years. And bone broth is one of those things that you find in absolutely every single one as a healing modality and as something that helps people age well. There is some debate about whether or not there are heavy metals in the bone broth. So you don't want to be making that like every day, all day bone broth. Although I did read that Gwyneth Paltrow pretty much lives on bone broth. Because you kind of wonder how she can be so skinny. Like, does she eat? And I think she does. Another thing that's really important are amino acids. And amino acids are basically the building blocks of collagen. And you could get this by eating biologically available protein. And if you have good digestion, that could be meat for you. I don't eat a lot of meat. And technically, I don't really even eat a lot of protein. And this is a lot of debate these days about this topic. I eat a lot of microgreens. I eat a lot of things that are biologically available protein. And so these are the building blocks. And in our tight club, yes, you heard that right. In our tight club, we made a club for people who really want to get tight skin naturally. So we can give you all of our secrets and all of our tips and all of our recipes and all the things that we do to ensure tight skin. And you'll get more information about that in that program. We didn't buy expensive fancy powders or potions or creams or whatnots, but we did eat foods, which is the third point, that are rich in vitamin C, which is a collagen building vitamin. And it's found in foods like oranges, of course, lemons, kiwis. It's also in high vitamin C is found in red peppers as well.
Tomatoes?
Yeah. And you want to think about it. Like when you think about an orange, there's like a flesh, right? It looks like skin. If you've ever had a cut, you've looked at your skin pretty clearly. It looks like flesh. So that's the perfection of nature. And so we're coming into orange season. So if you love oranges, definitely enjoy them. We do take vitamin C supplements. I don't necessarily recommend them. We don't encourage them in our program either. But, you know, if you want vitamin C, get it. Get that vitamin C.
The best part about Mom and I's tight skin club and 30-day challenge and our step it up methods and our frameworks is that we just believe in nature. We don't make you buy pills, potions, collagen powders, protein powders. Like, no, I mean, we have the ones that we like to use, but we don't actually promote it or say that you need to use this to get loose skin or lose weight.
Wait, to get tight skin, you mean?
To get tight skin.
Absolutely, yeah. You're right. Everything we do is 100% natural. And it just does take some commitment, though.
And time, right? Because it's not like instant gratification. You're not going to have loose skin tomorrow. No, that's not how it works. That's how you prevent loose skin, is by losing weight slowly.
The last point that you referenced a little bit earlier,
Okra.
Penelope, were a couple of foods that definitely help to tighten skin naturally because they're really great for nourishing the skin. And those are almonds, raw almonds. We make almond milk on a regular basis, and I love almonds. They have high levels of vitamin E and vitamin A, which are great for nourishing the skin. It's like, how are you feeding your skin? And no one really talks like that, but it's true. Your skin does eat. Like, what are you putting on your skin? What are you putting in your body that's becoming the texture of your skin? And there are a couple of really interesting foods that are less common, like okra and green onions. And if you ever notice when you're slicing them, they're kind of slimy. Have you ever noticed that? Yeah, they have like a slime. And that is a sign that it is excellent for connective tissue. Therefore, the membranes in your skin, which tighten and strengthen the collagen that builds tight, lifted, beautiful skin. If you want to get recipes where we're using all of these amazing foods that help you to have tight, lifted skin that is also delicious, because it has to be delicious or you're not going to stick to it. I won't stick to it. But why not have beauty? Why not have the glow? Why not have tight skin? Are you ready for that? Join our Tight Club. We would love to see you in there and get to know you better.
It's time to get tight. Don't forget to follow us on all of our social medias. Please like this video if you liked the video. Don't forget to comment down below. We appreciate all of your feedback. We love your questions. So definitely comment something you learned down below. And please subscribe. We really appreciate it when you subscribe to our channel. It helps support our mission. And share this video with someone you love and care about. We'll see you all the time.